y'all, it's Kim from Kim Dixon Creative. As you can tell by the screen, we are having a celebratory Christmas in July hop in celebration of me reaching 500 subscribers. Thank you so much to every one of you for subscribing to my channel. I would never have dreamed in February when I started this that I would have reached 500 subscribers already. I know to some of you 500 doesn't seem like a lot, but to this little Alabama girl, 500 people watching her videos, that's huge, and I thank you so much. I'm having a little hop with a couple of my friends. One is Bugs Mediocre Arts and Crafts, and the other is Susan Lee Rose. Both of them have new YouTube channels, and I would love for you to hop over, watch their videos. They're super talented, and subscribe to their channels and give them a like and a comment. As part of the hop, I'm giving away 2 prizes to 2 of our lucky commenters. You could win a set of 96 Arteza Real Brush pens. That's a $58.99 value. Or you could win a $25 gift certificate to May Made It. These videos are not sponsored by Arteza or May Made It. I'm providing the prizes myself. The giveaway for the Arteza Real Brush pens is open only to U.S. residents because of shipping issues. However, the gift certificate is open to international as well as U.S. residents. To be entered in the giveaway, comment on all of the videos in the hop. You'll find a list of the hop participants in the description box below. I'll announce the winners on my channel on July 24th, 2021. And if the original winner doesn't respond within 1 week, which is July 31st, 2021, I will choose another commenter. Thanks again for getting me to 500 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Now let's get into what you're really here for, the card. So I looked on Pinterest and found this card sketch from Mojo Monday. I gave a copy of it to Bug and to Susan, and we're all 3 using the same card sketch. We're all 3 doing Christmas, but they will all 3 be different, I am sure. I'm taking a piece of Brutus Monroe's Raven cardstock, cut it 4 1/4 by 11. I'm using my Dress My Craft pencil bone folder to score it at 5 1/2. When I fold it in half, I'm going to use my Dress My Craft Ergo bone folder to burnish down my fold. I really like this tool. It's really great for people with dexterity issues. It really helps a lot with burnishing. Now I'm going to take a piece of Brutus Monroe Scarlet cardstock and cut it to 4 by 5 1/4. This is going to be my card mat. Now, the card sketch shows that it is landscape. I'm going to use it as portrait. It's going to be an A2 portrait card that is top folding. I've taken a piece of plaid cardstock from Echo Park's A Farmhouse Christmas 6x6 paper pack. I cut it to 5 1/4 by 2, and I'm going to use this edge punch to punch the edge on both sides of this piece of cardstock. This piece of cardstock will run the length of my card mat. Now I'm going to try my very best to get this lined up to where my scallops are even on each side. I flipped it over to try to get it to start close to where I started the other side. And I get close to it being even. Not quite, but it'll do. There's enough going on the card that you won't notice it. You see over on the right hand side I have a piece of black and white plaid cardstock. That piece is cut 2 inches by 3 inches. I'm going to take the paper pack and cut another piece of that same cardstock to 2 inches by 3 inches. This will be the 2 rectangles that are at the top and the bottom of my card. Now I'm going to take my Dress My Craft basic designer dies. These are the stitched scallop circles, and I'm going to cut out a stitched scallop circle from a piece of paper from the from the card pack. This is the wood kind of shiplap looking paper. And then I'm going to I have some of the chipboard accents from the 12 by 12 paper pack of a Farmhouse Christmas. And I'm going to use that wreath that's right there on the center of that circle. When I punch that out, it's got some little nubbies on the edge where it was attached to the card that it came on. So I'm just going to take my little, this is nothing more than a little fingernail file, little buffer, and I'm going to just try to file those little nubbies down so that you don't see them. And I think that looks really good right there in the center. It was almost like it was made for that circle. Just going to glue that to the center of that circle. Then I'm going to start assembling the card mat. So the first rectangle on the bottom goes up under the green stripe that I've cut. So I'm going to glue it to the bottom right hand corner, leaving about 1/8 of an inch border on the right and the bottom. Then I'm going to glue my edge punched piece along the left hand 1/3 of that card mat. And then I will take the other 2x3 cardstock and glue it to the top left corner, leaving about 1/8 of an inch border on the top and the left. Then that circle is going to go in the center. And y'all know me. If I'm going to do a card, there's going to be some dimension on it somewhere. So in comes the foam tape. It's going to go on the back of that circle. I'm going to glue, adhere it to the middle of the card mat with that dimensional tape. And I always cut it too big. I always have to trim it off. I have so many little pieces stuck to the side of my roll of foam tape from where I cut it almost the right length. I'm going to take my Tim Holtz retractable craft pick and pull off that release paper and just place that circle right in the center of that card. I have some black enamel dots. I'm going to, in retrospect, I wish I'd have done this a little bit different, but I took a black one, the largest size, and then two smaller sizes, two of the smaller size ones going down the card. I wish I would have done the two smaller ones with the bigger one on the bottom. Now that I look at it, it kind of bugs me. I don't know why. It's just a weight issue. I don't know. Feel like the biggest one should be on the bottom. And then over on the left hand side, I'm going to repeat that with a larger enamel dot and two smaller enamel dots. We have our card mat. Now I'm going to adhere that card mat to the front of my card base with my favorite glue, Art Glitter Glue. I'm going to adhere that down. There should be a little bit of a black border showing around. I really do like the look of the black and the red at Christmas. It looks very classic to me. I'm going to go now, since we have a black card base, I'm going to need something on the inside of the card that we can write on. So I'm going to cut a little mat at 4 by 5 1/4 to go on the inside of our card base. And to bring the edging from the outside of the card to the inside, I'm going to edge punch the bottom edge of that card mat going on the inside. I just think that will bring a little, like I say, bring a little coherence to the card, bring the edge punching from the outside to the inside. I'm just going to adhere that down with Art Glitter Glue. Again, my favorite glue. And there you have it. Our card is finished. I want to thank you for stopping by this video today. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Again, I am just so thankful for every one of you that have subscribed to bring me to this point. I am having so much fun doing these videos, and I can't wait to grow more and more. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would be absolutely honored if you would do so. And hit the little bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to stop by Bugs Mediocre Arts and Crafts and Susan Lee Rose's videos. Like their videos, subscribe to their channels, but more important, make sure you comment on those videos. That's how you are entered to win the prizes that are being given away. Again, I'm giving away a 96 count of Arteza Real Brush pens and a $25 gift certificate to May Made It. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.